Today we are covering questions and answers for AZ-104 Microsoft Azure Administrator. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our next question is, you have an Azure subscription that contains the virtual networks shown in the following table. You have the virtual machines shown in the following table. Have a look on the tables. You have a virtual network interface shown in this table. Server 1 is a DNS server that contains resources shown in this table. You have an Azure private DNS zone named contoso.com that has virtual network link to VNet2 and all records shown in the following table. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. These are the statements. Now the answer part. We find that the first and the first statement is correct, second statement is wrong, the third statement is again correct. Moving to our next question. You have an network security group named NSG1 that has rules defined in the exhibit. NSG1 is associated to a subnet named subnet1. Subnet1 contains the virtual machines shown in this table. You need to add a rule to NSG1 to ensure that VM1 can ping VM2. The solution must use the principle of least privilege. How should you configure the rule? To answer, select the appropriate option in the answer area. This is the table for direction and this is the table for source. Destination table, the priority table. This is the correct answer, the ones highlighted with green. Inbound in direction, any in source, any in destination, and 110 in priority. Moving to our next question. You have an Azure subscription named Sub1 that contains the Azure resources shown in the following table. You assign an Azure policy that has the following settings. Scope Sub1 exclusion, this policy definition, append a tag and its value to resources, policy enforcement enabled, tag name tag 4 and the tag value 4. You assign the tags to the resources shown in the following table. Have a look on the table. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. These are the statements. Kindly read them. Now the answer part. We find that all three statements are wrong. Moving to our next question. You have an Azure load balancer named LB1. You assign a username user1 to the role shown in the following exhibit. Use the drop down menus to select the answer choice that completes each statement based on the information presented in the graphics. This is the hot area, user 1 for this table. User 1 can the resource group this table. The answer area, the ones highlighted with green color are the correct answer.